Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkem. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I put out a new video. In today's video, I'll be installing a Butterfly Locs hair from Niseyo. It's a crochet butterfly locs hair, so I'm going to start with braiding my hair, and I just start with sectioning my hair in two and then braid each section four. So I have a total of 8 cornrows, and I use the individual illusion braid pattern to braid my hair. One major thing you should have in mind when you're doing this hairstyle is always protect your edges. So I'm just going to make sure that my braids are loosed, they are not too tight. So when I'm crocheting the hair today, when I'm crocheting the butterfly locks to my hair, it doesn't break my hair, because this is a protective style. It is meant to protect your edges and not the other way around. So I'm going to make sure that my braids are loosed, and after I finish braiding the first one, I'm just going to make another section and then join the first one to the second section and then braid it. I'm also going to repeat this process in the third one. Like in the third section I'm going to repeat this same process I did in the second one before I will braid everything all back. Now, if you guys notice very well, my lines are not straight, and I just feel like, really, there's no need, you guys, because last no go see them. You guys are not going to see those lines and all of those, if it's straight or not straight. So you guys are not going to see them. So there's really no point trying to make sure that it is all straight and looking perfect, because it was difficult parting the hair myself. I won't lie, it was difficult parting it myself. You guys see the final look of the cornrows I made. I'm going to start with the installation of those butterfly locks, and it is from Niseyo hair. This is their 10-inch butterfly locks crochet hair, and it comes in 6 in a pack with a crochet hook alongside with it, and I used all the 6-pack. all of the 6-pack. Let me show you guys a closer look of what this hair looks like. And in each pack it has 12 strands. So this is what a closer look of the hair is like. You guys see how it is. So I'm going to open up the loop so that you guys can see how wide it can get, and it is very easy to crochet it to your hair. So this is how wide it can get if you want to use it on your hair. I'm going to pass the crochet hook through my hair. You see the reason why I said your braids should not be tight, so it will be very easy for the locks to go through your hair without damaging your hair. So I'm just going to put the locks through my hair and then open up the loop and then pass the hand, like pull it through the loop and then just drag it. I'm going to leave details of this hair in the description box, so you guys should check my description box for more details on those butterfly locks I used from Niseyo hair. The reason why I like this crochet butterfly locks, it is very easy to install and it is very easy to take down. The installation of this hair, both the cornrows and the installation, took me around say an hour or less than, because I used less than 25 minutes to install this butterfly locks on my hair. The whole 6 packs I used less than 25 minutes. You guys know that I do a lot of crochet on my channel, so it was kind of easy or very fast for me to just crochet it to my hair. And this method of butterfly locks, I think it's better than the one you have to be wrapping, you know. For me, I think it's better. So this is a yes for me, and definitely you guys should try it out and let me know what you think about this Esther in the comment section. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section.
Shine